If you want to create a specific rhythm in Rhythm Generator, you can do that using PolyNome, and then you can open the PolyNome rhythm in Rhythm Generator. So I'm going to browse to PolyNome. I'll tap on plus to create a new rhythm. I'm just going to call it 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I will edit the rhythm and I will enter 1, 2, 3, 4. So quarter note, eighth, triplets, and 16th notes. Then I can tap the preset name at the top and share and open in Rhythm Generator. And we have our rhythm in Rhythm Generator, and you can change the shuffle options and choose a note group action. So let's say I want to randomize the notes in the note groups. What that will do is keep the order of 1, 2, 3, and 4, but it will randomize the notes in the eighth notes and the triplets and the 16ths. So I can tap the shuffle button. You can see it's removed the second note of the eighth notes, it's removed the third note of the triplet, and the second note of the 16ths. If I hit shuffle again, it will change them again. So you can play along to this, always knowing that you have to play 1, 2, 3, and 4, but then you could accent the rhythm that's actually been created. And to get back to the original rhythm, long press on this and choose reset the rhythm.